Hi, and welcome back to Tasty Yet Healthy. I'm Tracy, and this is my kitchen. Thanks so much for joining me today. This is where every week I come to you and share recipes with you that I cook for my family right here in my own kitchen. The kick is we only make healthy food and we make it taste great. The goal is to be as nutritious as possible with every meal, but still enjoy eating. There's nothing like being on a diet and dreading dinner because it's not really what you want. So tonight's dinner is tasty yet healthy for the whole family. We're having SouthWest chicken wraps. And did I mention it's super fast? Let's get cooking. All right, so SouthWest chicken wraps is what's for dinner. It's nutritious, it's fast, the whole family is gonna love it. And it's full of nutrition. So what do we do on those nights? There's so many nights that we come home, we're tired, don't really know what we're gonna cook for dinner. All we need is just a couple of basic pantry staples that we have and some chicken breasts, and we can whip these up pretty fast, faster than you can have a pizza delivered to your house. So all we need is chicken breast, some corn, black beans, and a few spices and some tortillas. That's it, and we're gonna chop up all of our chicken breast and dice it up, and then we're gonna add in some spices with it, salt, pepper, garlic, and paprika. That's it. And throw it in the oven for 20 minutes, pull it out, and we're gonna make our chicken wrap. So we're gonna wrap it all up and make our chicken wrap for dinner. So here we go. All right, so we have all of our chicken diced up. Of course, if you were even in a tighter time crunch, you could have used already chicken tenders that are in strips. Then you don't even have to worry about spending the time on dicing it. To add into it, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of paprika. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of garlic. I love garlic. The more garlic, the more flavor. All right, we're just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to your liking. All right, and now we have a 1/3 cup of olive oil, and then we're gonna mix it all in together. All right, spray our pan with a little bit of olive oil. And our oven should be preheated to 400. We're gonna put our chicken all over the pan. Make sure it's spread out in an even layer, not on top of each other, because you want it to be able to cook evenly. All right, there's our chicken, and now we're gonna go in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400. Our SouthWest chicken wraps are all done. Took less than 30 minutes to get dinner on the table tonight, and it's a tasty yet healthy dish. We have included organic corn, black beans, a little bit of lettuce, and some shredded cheese in there. Instead of sour cream, we're using Greek yogurt. To make it a little healthier, we've gone with a low-carb, whole wheat, organic wrap here. Make it however you would like. Add your own flair to it. A little jalapeno, a little avocado, maybe some lime juice, tomatoes, whatever you would like, add it to it. But that's it for tonight. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to see what I eat every day, you can follow me on Instagram at Tasty Yet Healthy. But till next time, we'll see ya.